If you want to make a paper boat, fold a piece of paper in half from top to bottom. Then, fold it again from side to side. And unfold so you have a crease in the center. Fold the top right corner down towards the center. Next, flip the paper over and fold the other corner down on the other side. Fold each of the bottom edges of the paper up and outwards to make a paper hat shape. Then, open the hat and flatten it horizontally to create a diamond. Fold the bottom edge of the diamond upwards towards the top. Then, turn the paper over and repeat on the other side. Pull the paper apart again and smooth it out to create a boat shape.